Hello everybody, you are welcome to this channel. I am Atanu Betal, and in this video lecture we discuss about the rearrangement of hydrocarbons, the reaction of the rearrangement of hydrocarbons, and especially the rearrangement of alkenes in presence of acid. This is the topic of discussions in this video: rearrangement of hydrocarbons, the reactions for the rearrangement of hydrocarbons and the rearrangement of alkenes in presence of acid. As an example, rearrangement of hydrocarbon means here we take the example of rearrangement of alkene in presence of acid. Okay, so this is the topic of discussions. We would start the discussion about this topic, and before discussing about this topic, I would like to remind you that if you are new to this channel or do not subscribe this channel, then this is the time to subscribe it and hit the notification button and get the new video upload notification. So let's start our discussion about the hydrocarbons rearrangement reaction, hydrocarbon rearrangement reactions or rearrangement of alkene in presence of acid. Suppose we take an alkene having the formula, the structure of the alkene is like this one. Okay, this one is the structure of the alkene. Okay, structure of the alkene. This alkene can rearrange itself. This alkene can rearrange itself, and we see the rearrangement reactions of this alkene. Okay, this is the alkene, and this alkene gets rearranged, and how this alkene gets rearranged, this is the topic of discussion. So in presence of acid means H plus, at first the electrophilic addition takes place. This is an electrophile, so electrophilic addition to alkene takes place. So at first this one is formed, means this H plus is added to this carbon atom, CH2 become the CH3, and this carbon is getting a plus charge on it. Okay, this carbon getting a plus charge on it, and after that, after this step, this is the step 1 for the rearrangement of hydrocarbon. The first step is about the addition of the electrophile, and after that, in the next step, what happens? See, this one is a 2-degree carbocation. This one is a 2-degree carbocation because 2 carbon attached with the positive charge carbon. So we can say this molecule as a 2-degree carbocation molecule, and as we know that carbocation 2-degree to 3-degree more stable, means if carbocation can change itself from 2-degree to 3-degree, then it is gaining some stability. So for this reason of gaining stability of higher carbocation means 2-degree carbocation, if changes it to 3-degree carbocation or tertiary carbocation, then it can attain stability. So for this reason, this carbocation can rearrange itself, and after rearranging this 2-degree carbocation, change it to 3-degree carbocation. Okay, so in the next case, the structure is like in the next part. Sorry, this is the rearrangement part. What will happen? This methyl group will shift to the nearest positive charge carbon with its bond methyl shift occur, Me shift occur with its negative means pair of electron, methyl group shift to the positive charge carbon, and the new species is formed. New molecule is formed, and here the plus charge is transferred from this carbon to this carbon. Okay, the shifting of methyl group to the next plus charge carbon is happening here, and as a result of this methyl shift, this carbon is now getting a plus charge. Okay, this is a tertiary or 3-degree carbocation. Okay, why this step is why we are seeing this step? Because of the stability of carbocation from 2 degree to 3 degree, this type of rearrangement is seen. So 2 degree carbocation is now changed itself to a tertiary carbocation because of its higher stability. Okay, and here a methyl shift, this one is happening through a Me shift, means methyl shift. This type of rearrangement of carbocation occurs, and after that in the next step H plus is removed from this molecule. Okay, in this way H plus is removed from this molecule, and this one is formed. Okay, this one is formed, means the stable alkene, symmetrical alkene. In this carbon 2 methyl groups present, and in this carbon 2 methyl group present. This type of alkene is produced after the rearrangement of this type of alkene. This type of alkene in presence of acid rearrange itself to form this type of alkene, and this is called the rearrangement of hydrocarbon, rearrangement of alkene in presence of acid. In presence of acid, this alkene is changes this alkene changes itself to this alkene. So this is the full mechanism of changing this alkene to this alkene. Okay, more symmetrical alkene, this is less symmetrical alkene. So the less symmetrical alkene is changed to more symmetrical alkene, and this process is called the rearrangement of hydrocarbon or rearrangement of alkene in presence of acids. So this is the full mechanism of the rearrangement of hydrocarbon or rearrangement of alkene in presence of acids. So this is the total discussion about the rearrangement of hydrocarbon or rearrangement of alkene in presence of acid. So thank you for watching this discussion of rearrangement of alkene in presence of acid. Okay, and if you find this video lecture is useful for you, then you can like this video, and if you find that this channel is useful for you, you can learn something from this channel, then you can subscribe this channel.